Hi, my name is Ida and I work on cell polarity. The concept of polarity surrounds us and governs everything that is around us. For example, our planet is polarized and we have the North Pole and the South Pole. What is polarity in biology? Almost all the cells in our body are polarized cells, like the cells of our skin. In the skin cells, we can distinguish two different sides, the outer side and the inner sides. Polarity for these cells is important for their function, mainly to make a barrier and protect us from everything that is outside. Therefore, correct establishment of polarity of our cells is crucial for the correct function of our body. But how is polarity born and how is it regulated in space and in time? To investigate this process, I'm using the embryo of a tiny worms, the C. elegans embryos. And as the skin cells, they are also polarized. Indeed, we can distinguish two different domains, the anterior domain and the posterior domain. In C. elegans, the main actors involved in polarity are called PAR proteins. The PAR proteins are conserved in the evolution, and the correct localization of them at the right time is a crucial step to establish polarity and for the correct development of the embryo. In my work, I'm focused on one of the PAR proteins, PAR3. It acts as a leader because it initiates and it guides the formation of these two sides in the embryo. But who brings the leader to be there at the right time and at the right space? I don't have a full answer to this question yet. But what I can tell you is that my lab found the identity of one of the space and time coordinator. Unfortunately, we soon realized that it's not the only one involved, and other factors need to be identified. And to do that, I'm using a multidisciplinary approach in the lab that combines microscopy that allow me to follow the development of the embryo in real time, biochemistry to detect the interaction between proteins, and genetic. When polarity is lost, the cells lose their shape and their function, and different diseases can arise. And for instance, we know that loss of polarity is an hallmark of cancer. So to keep everything in order in our body and properly working, is essential that our cells stay polarized. Thank you very much for your attention.